Hey there, curious minds. Welcome back to Stories Cast. Today, we're diving into one of the most fascinating mysteries surrounding ancient Egypt. Why doesn't food rot inside the pyramids? For years, explorers and archaeologists have found ancient grains, fruits, and even honey preserved within these massive stone structures. But what's the secret? Is it some ancient technique, a forgotten technology, or something even more mysterious? Buckle up, because things are about to get exciting. First, let's set the stage. Ancient Egypt, the land of the pharaohs, where grand pyramids were built as monumental tombs for their rulers. These structures have stood for over 4,500 years, towering over the desert and guarding the secrets of the past. But the pyramids aren't just tombs. They've been filled with all sorts of items meant to help the deceased in the afterlife, including food. Inside the tombs of the pyramids, archaeologists have discovered food offerings left for the departed. Baskets of grains, dried fruits, wine, and even honey. But here's the strange part. In some cases, this food hasn't rotted away like you'd expect. Instead, it's been found incredibly well preserved. So, what's going on here? Let's break down the most popular theories. First, some scientists believe the pyramids themselves play a key role in this preservation. The structure of the pyramid, with its massive stone blocks and carefully aligned design, might create a unique environment inside. One idea is that the pyramids create a controlled microclimate. The thick stone walls could insulate the tombs, keeping the temperature cool and stable. There's very little humidity inside the pyramid chambers, which would slow down the decomposition process, almost like an ancient refrigerator. Additionally, the lack of airflow and tightly sealed chambers would prevent bacteria and mold, the main culprits behind food decay, from thriving. No air, no bacteria, no rot. Ancient Egyptians were also masters of preservation techniques, as seen in their famous mummification processes. They may have had similar methods for preserving food. Drying, salting, and sealing food in airtight containers were all practices they could have used to ensure it remained fresh for the journey to the afterlife. But there's another theory, one that's a bit more mysterious. Some believe that the pyramids themselves have special powers. Yes, I'm talking about the so-called pyramid power theory. According to this theory, the unique geometric shape of the pyramids channels energy from the earth or the cosmos, creating a special force field that can preserve food, sharpen blades, or even heal the human body. Some proponents claim that placing food or objects inside a pyramid-shaped structure can prevent decay, even in modern experiments. While this theory has been widely dismissed by mainstream science, it remains a popular topic among alternative researchers and pyramid enthusiasts. Is it possible that ancient Egyptians, with their advanced knowledge of astronomy and architecture, tapped into a source of energy we still don't fully understand? Or is this just another legend in the long list of pyramid mysteries? Back on the scientific side of things, researchers have conducted tests to try and understand exactly why food inside the pyramids remains so well preserved. The most likely explanation involves a combination of natural factors. Microbes, which cause food to rot, need certain conditions to thrive: warmth, moisture, and oxygen. Inside the pyramids, it's cool, dry, and oxygen levels are low, essentially creating a natural vacuum that slows down microbial activity. Combine that with the fact that many of the foods were already dried or prepared to last, and it starts to make sense why these offerings have survived the test of time. The desert environment itself plays a huge role. Egypt's extremely dry climate helps preserve organic materials, not just inside the pyramids, but in the entire region. Textiles, wooden objects, and even human bodies from thousands of years ago have survived due to the lack of moisture. Whether it's due to pyramid design, natural preservation, or ancient Egyptian ingenuity, the fact remains, these ancient tombs hold treasures that have been perfectly preserved for millennia. Today, scientists are still learning from these ancient techniques, using what we know to improve modern preservation methods for artifacts and food alike. The mystery of the pyramids continues to fascinate us, not just because of their size and grandeur, but because of the incredible secrets they still hold. Secrets about life, death, and perhaps even immortality. So, what do you think? Is there a scientific explanation behind the preservation of food inside the pyramids? Or could there be something more mysterious at play? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more fascinating mysteries of the ancient world. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the wonders of history.